Python Pandas. Get index of rows where column matches certain value. Given a data frame with a column bool call, we want to find the indexes of the data frame in which the values for bool call equals true. I currently have the iterating way to do it, which works perfectly. But this is not the correct Pandas way to do it. After some research, I am currently using this code. This one gives me a list of indexes, but they don't match when I check them by doing. The result is actually false. Which would be the correct Pandas way to do this?
df.ilog I returns the ith row of df. I does not refer to the index label. I is a zero-based index. In contrast, the attribute index returns actual index labels, not numeric row indices. Or equivalently. You can see the difference quite clearly by playing with a data frame with a non-default index that does not equal to the row's numerical position. If you want to use the index, then you can select the rows using LOC instead of ilog. Note that LOC can also accept Boolean arrays. If you have a Boolean array, mask, and need ordinal index values, you can compute them using np.flat_nonzero. Use df.ilog to select rows by ordinal index.
Can be done using numpy where function. Though you don't always need index for a match, but in case if you need.
First you may check query when the target column is type bool. PS. About how to use it, please check link. After we filter the original df by the Boolean column, we can pick the index. Also, Pandas have non-zero. We just select the position of true row and using it slice the data frame or index.
Simple way is to reset the index of the data frame prior to filtering. Bit hacky, but it's quick.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.